Alright, this is Jason's new crossbow. It's kind of got a lot of tension on it. A little tough for him to string. And he's gonna shoot the cardboard. It's pretty thick. Figure that won't go through the fence.
Alrighty. I'm gonna aim for that orange little dot.
Aiming.
This fucking laser sight actually works.
Aiming for the orange dot.
Missed.
It's fair to say that the sight is not quite accurate at the moment, but also fair to say that there's a fair amount of tension since the arrow is almost all the way through. Go ahead, pull it out. Put your finger where, there you go. And how much of it was in the box? Yeah, that would hurt. You likey?
Zombies beware.
You likey?
Yes. Very muchy.